All right, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the twister mat.
What, the twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left-hand red, we're good.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
You mind if I pause it for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
Be right back.
It's a small world. Everybody is a small world.
Okay, I got the jumbo so we can share. Were you just picking your nose?
No, I had an itch on the inside.